My song, More Than We Were Told, is about realizing that we will never have all the answers in life. And that's okay. The most important question to remember is the one that connects us to ourselves. Who am I? This is More Than We Were Told.
Where do our shadows go? Do they grieve when parting?